Hi everybody, today we're going to be making cowboy cookies. You're going to need pecans, flour, sugar, eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chips, butter, brown sugar, rolled oats, and I think that's it. Okay, so preheat your oven to 350. Now I'm doing half this recipe because it usually makes 3 to 3.5 dozen, and I really don't need that many. So the first thing you're gonna do is take 1.5 cups of butter and you're gonna cream that. Once that's creamed, you're gonna add 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And mix that up in your mixer. Brown sugar firmly packed. And you're gonna cream this up also. Just mix it all up. And then you're gonna add your egg. When it calls for like 3 eggs, when it's the full recipe, but I'm doing half. So I usually just do 1 egg and a tablespoon of water. Then you will need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And mix that up. Now you need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And you're gonna put this in a bowl. So there's 1. Then you're gonna need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. And 1.5 of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. And then you're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Get a whisk and whip it around. Get it all mixed up. Then you're gonna add this to your wet mixture. Halfway through, just scrape your bowl. And continue till all of your mixture's in. Scrape your bowl one more time. And beat for about 30 seconds. Right, now you're gonna add a cup of chocolate chips. And a cup of flaked coconut. And just mix this for like 15 seconds. Then you need a cup of chopped pecans. Which I've already done. Put that in. And then you need a cup and a half of old-fashioned oats. And mix this up for about 30 seconds. On a ungreased cookie sheet, you're gonna take a 1/4 cup of dough and you're gonna put it on your cookie sheet. They have to be 3 inches apart. Okay, these have to bake for 15 to 17 minutes halfway through. Just rotate your cookie sheet and I'll put the first batch in and I'll be back when they're finished. Okay, we're at the halfway mark. Just rotate your pan. And continue cooking. Okay, our buzzer just went off. There's the cookies. I put this on just a cookie rack and let them cool for a few minutes before I pull them off. And then put in your next batch. Set your timer. Don't forget to rotate halfway between times. And I hope you enjoy this recipe, and please share, like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you. I had a couple other subscribers last night, so thank you very much. And tonight I'm going to be making fried chicken fingers for supper. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.